Okay, insert all the colors. Get one. Insert. Yellow. Purple. Yes, next. Okay, next one. Okay, that's right. Next one. Yellow. Push, push. Green. Push. Okay, next. Very good. And last one. Okay, then teacher high five. Okay, very good. Look for the shadow of each animal. Okay? Oh, get one here. Get one. Zebra. Look mo muna. Where is the shadow of the zebra? Where's the zebra? Hazen, zebra, zebra. Where is it? Yun. Okay, I'll get another one. What's that? Okay, very good. Next. One by one. Oh, look. Where's the toucan bird? Again. Where is it? Finish mo muna. One by one. Oh, where is it? Toucan bird. Okay, I'll get another one. What is that? Tiger. Where's the tiger? Look, tiger. Where's the tiger again? Where's the shadow of the tiger? Itchy, itchy. Tiger, tiger. Go. Eyes here. Hazen. Hazen. Eyes on your work. Eyes on your work. Where's the tiger? Tiger, tiger. No. No, again. Tiger. Where is it? Tiger. Look at the shadow. Tiger. Look, tiger. Look, Hazen. Next, koala. Okay, next. That's right. Sige, go. That's right. Look mo na. Koala. Lion. Lion. Again, lion. Do not remove the other. Lion. Where is it? Lion. Sleepy ba? Where's the lion? Ay, look mo po. Asan si lion? Where's the lion? Where is it? Hazen, look. Look at the shadow. Again. Lion. It's right here. Go. Finish. Hazen, come here. Eyes on your work. Lion. Look. Go. Where is it? Look, it's here. Next. Camel. Giraffe. Sloth. Sloth. Oh, do not remove the others. Look for the sloth. Where's the sloth? Okay, next one. Next, airplane. Airplane. Okay, hot air balloon. Motorbike. Taxi. Car. Okay, bicycle. Bike. Van. Ship. Boat. Okay, very good. Fruits. Apple. 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 Where's the apple? Look again. Apple. Apple. Where's the apple? Apple. Next, pineapple. Pineapple. Again, pineapple. No, again. Try again. Pineapple. Where is it? Go, pineapple. Hazen, look. Pineapple. Next, watermelon. Watermelon. Where's the watermelon? Okay, strawberry. Strawberry. Again. Strawberry. No, no. Strawberry. Look mo yung shadow. Where's the strawberry? No, Hazen. Again. Try again. Hazen, where's the strawberry? Where is it? Look at your work. Go, go, go. Eyes here. Strawberry. Go, finish mo na. Matulog kasi ng maaga. Hero. Matulog ka. Listen ka properly. Next, orange. Grapes. Mango. Lemon. And avocado. Okay, very good. Read the word and match the picture. What's the first word? Look at this one. Cat. Where is the cat? Look for the picture of the cat. Cat. Okay, very good. Put it here. Cat. Put. Please, please. Cat. Hawak mo po. And you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Paste the picture. Cat. Here, here. Hold it. Go, go, go. Cat. Here. Next. How about the pig? Where is the pig? Pig. Where's the pig? Look at the picture. Pig. Get the pig. Next, next. Pig. Where's the pig? Hazen, look for the pig. Pig. Oh, you put it here. Pig. Where's the pig? Okay, very good. Yes. Next, sad face. Oh, sad face. Sad face. Where is it? Sad face. Okay, very good. Next, pot. Pot. Where's the teacher? Next, pot. Where's the pot? Pot. Pot. Oh, look mo, look. Is that a pot? That's a bed. Where's the pot? Pot, look mo. Go, Hazen. Hazen, go. Pot. Get pot. Pot. Look, pot. Pot. Okay, next. Jam. Where's the jam? Jam. Get jam. Paste. Okay, next. Mug. Mug. Okay, very good. Put it here. Oops. Next, bed. Bed. Paste. Ayusin ang teacher. Bed. Baliktad like this. Next, map. Map. Okay, very good. High five. Okay. Next, sort the colors. Green, blue, red, and yellow. Very good. Oh, now, what color is this? Color? Very good. How about this one? Sige, go. That's right. Go. one. Next, how about this? Color. Food. Okay, very good. Next one. How about this one? Starfish. Color. Very good. Next, color. The whale. Color. Okay, dito sa baba. Oh, I like that, oh. Next one. The turtle. Color. Turtle. Color. Very good. Next. How about this one? Color. Oh, look at the color. What's that? Color. What color is this? Color. What color? Color. Blue. Next one, the starfish. Okay, next. Another starfish. Color. Starfish color. Uh-oh, color what? Oh, look at the color. What color is this? What color is this? Look, color blue. Blue. Yan, sa color blue na tinalagay. Next, how about this fish? Color? Color? Okay, very good. Dito sa baba, oh. Here. Next one. Seahorse. Seahorse. Color. Okay, dito sa baba, oh. Para di matabuhan si starfish. Next one. Go, Hazen. Hazen, go. Okay, very good. Next one. Color. Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit properly. Come on, come on. Sit down. Oh, this one. Color. Color. Okay, next. How about the crab? Crab. Color. Okay, dito sa baba. Yan. Next. The tortoise. Color. Okay, very good. Baba mo. Yan. Next. Fish. Color. Fish. Okay, very good. Next, how about the popper fish? Look at this fish. Okay, very good. There's nothing here. Next one. Seahorse. Color. Color. Green. And last one. The shell. Okay, very good. Thank you. High five. Okay.